Hello, professor and classmates. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the schema theory. The schema theory is a cognitive theory that explains how knowledge is organized and stored in the mind. It proposed that individuals organize information into mental frameworks or schemas, which represent knowledge about a concept, event, or category. Schemas help individuals make sense of new information by providing a framework for interpreting and understanding it. They influence perception, memory, and problem solving, guiding individuals' thoughts and actions. According to the schema theory, when individuals encounter new information, they compare it to existing schemas. If the new information aligns with their schemas, it is assimilated into existing knowledge. But if the new information does not fit an existing schemas, it may be accommodated by modified or creating a new schemas. So the theory of distributed cognition posits that cognition and knowledge are not solely located within the individual's mind, but are distributed across individuals, tools, artifacts, and the environment. Distributed cognitions emphasize the idea that cognition processes extend beyond individuals to include interactions with the external environment, social interactions, and the use of external tools and resources. This theory highlights the importance of understanding how individuals interact with their environment and how they use external resources and tools to enhance cognitive performance and achieve their goals. So now let's talk about the difference between the schemas theory and the theory of distributed cognition. Nature of cognitions. Schema theory focuses on the organization and structure of knowledge within the individual's mind. It emphasizes how individuals use mental frameworks or schemas to interpret and understand new information. For the other hand, the theory of distributed cognition emphasizes that cognition is not confined to the individual's mind, but is distributed across the individual's tools and the environment. It highlights the interactive and dynamic nature of cognitions, which extend beyond the boundaries of the individual. The unit of analysis. Schema theory analyzes cognitive process at the level of the individual's mind. It focuses on how individuals encode, process, and retrieve information with their mental schemes. The theory of distributed cognitions expands the unit and analyze to include interactions between individuals, artifacts, and environment. It considers how cognition emerging from interactions between individuals and their external environment, including social and use the tools and resources. So, representation of knowledge. Schema theory views knowledge as organized structure or schemas within an individual's mind. Schemas represent generalized knowledge about concepts, events, or categories which guide perception, memory, and problem solving. The other theory recognizes that knowledge is distributed across individuals, artifacts, and the environment. It emphasizes the role of external resources and such as technology and social interactions in supporting cognitive process and problem solving. Approach to learning. Schema theory provides insights into how individuals learn and make sense of new information by assimilating into existing schemas or accommodating by modifying or creating new schemas. The theory of distributed cognition emphasizes the importance of social interactions, collaboration, and the use of external tools and resources. Um, in facility learnings. It suggests that learning occurs through active engagement within the environment and collaborated construction of knowledge. Implications for education. Schema theory informs instructional designs by highlighting the importance of building upon learning's existing schemas and providing opportunities for schemas activations, reinforcements, and extensions. Theory of distributed cognition suggests the design of learning environment that support collaboration, interactions, and the use of external tools and resources. It emphasizes the role of technology in facilitating distributed cognition and enhancing learning outcomes. In summary, while schema theory focuses on the organization of knowledge within the individual's mind, the theory of distributed cognition expands the perspective to include the interactive and distributed nature of cognitions across individuals and their environment. So both theories offer valuable insights into understanding learning, problem solving, and the design of educational environments from different perspectives. So now, how I use schema theory in my work? Yes, I use this theory in my work to design and develop educational materials and training programs. So the schema theory suggests that learners organize information into mental frameworks or schemas, which influence how they perspective, interpret, and recall new information. So by understanding learners' existing schemas and building up them, instructional designers can create learning experiences that are aligned with learners' prior knowledge and experience, facilitating comprehension and retention. So how does the theory of distributed cognition enhance the potential for effective online learning for school? So distributed cognitions emphasize the idea that knowledge and cognition are distributed across individuals, tools, and environments. In the context of online learnings, distributed cognition recognizes the role of technology and digital tools as cognitive aid that supports learning process. By using digital platforms, tools, and online resources, online learning environments can facilitate distributed cognition, allow learners to engage in collaborative problem solving, knowledge sharing, and co-construction of knowledge. In summary, schema theory focuses on how individuals organize and interpret information in their minds, while the theory of distributed cognitions emphasizes the distributed nature of cognitions, recognizing the role of external resources and the environment in supporting cognitive process. Both theories have implications for understanding learners, problem solving, and the design of educational environment. Here I'm finished with my video about the schema theory and distributed cognitions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.